Hey guys, it's Sylvia. Today I want to share with you something that I absolutely loved. It's this like clay popping. I've been seeing it all over Instagram and I really wanted to learn how to do it because every time that I watch the videos, I'm like, I just want to watch them over and over again. Like this one too. I've been watching it over and over and over again. So at the beginning, I did have a hard time because I couldn't really figure out what clay to use, but I think I found the right one because it worked just fine. So if you want to make these, you have to make sure to get the clay that it's like super airy. It's like super soft and light. They have different brands. So I bought mine at Joann's, but I know they have it at Michael's, they have it in Walmart, you can order it in Amazon, eBay, so it's not hard to find at all. But I don't want to talk anymore. I just want to get to this squishing and popping. So if you want to do that with me, let's go ahead and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye! The clay here, again, it's not hard to find. You can find it in every craft store. You can order it online. I also have the nail polish, which I got from the Dollar Tree, and some acrylic paint. That way I can be painting my little figure thingies. Now it's time to do any of the shapes that you want to do. You have to use your creativity and just make anything you want. If you need to step away for any reason or you need to stop and continue the next day or in a few hours, just make sure you cover your clay because remember, it dries out with the air. And we don't want that to happen. That way when you squish them, they can like explode everywhere. I'm done here and I'm gonna start painting all of them, starting with the banana. When you paint them, you just allow it to the acrylic paint to dry for like 5 to 10 minutes before you add the nail polish. Since I will be painting my banana on both sides, while I let this side dry, I will continue to paint the next pieces. I'm trying to be as fast as I can and use my time wisely. That way I don't leave the clay out too much. I just really want to make sure it doesn't dry out. Okay, now what I will do is start adding the nail polish to any of the pieces that are fully dry. In my case, the egg is dry already, so I will be adding the nail polish. What the nail polish does is that it creates like a protection on top of the clay. That is what allows it to stay soft in the inside, and it makes that crunchy sound to it. So I'm adding about 3 thick layers of nail polish. I allowed it to dry between each layer. So I put one layer and waited until it dried completely, and then add the other layer. As I mentioned earlier, the nail polish, I got it from Dollar Tree, and I only used like 2 bottles and all the pieces that I made. Now I will let the nail polish dry before adding the other layer, and in the meantime I will continue to paint my other little pieces. Now it's time to cover all of them with the nail polish. Once you finish adding your layers, it's time to let it dry. I let mine dry once I was completely done adding the nail polish for like a day and a half, just to make sure it was fully dry and I got that super crunchy effect when I squished them. So mine are dry. I decided to make a few more than I show you. All we have to do is squishity do.